Hello everyone, I'm Christina Reka and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you have seen any of my videos before. If you click on my previous videos now, you will notice that it's in Hungarian, and if you're not Hungarian, you won't understand it. Sorry. I used to do my videos in my own language, and now I moved to the UK 2.5 years ago, and I'm a makeup artist here actually for Bobbi Brown in Selfridges in London, so that's why I'll be using a lot of Bobbi Brown products, because yeah, obviously that's my favorite brand. Yeah, I guess let's get started. I'm going to be starting with the skincare, but I'm not including my face washing and my toning and using all the serums and stuff. It's just gonna be moisturizer, primer. If you would be interested more on the skincare side, do let me know. I'm very much up for that. So this is the end product. If you like it, keep on watching. Let's get started. Here is the skincare used as the base of the makeup. Moisturizer and primer in one, which saves time for the early mornings. Super lightweight formula with primer inside, so it's a perfect base for concealer. I love a dewy finish, so if I have 2 more seconds, I go in with the pink glow. Extra boost of moisture, a primer and illuminator in one. Even if you want to go makeup free for the day with a fresh glow, it's for you. Purple dark circles like mine can be cancelled out by a pink corrector. It's a creamy formula with a great buildable coverage. You could wear it on its own, but I look much less tired with corrector underneath, so I layer it on top and blend, blend, blend. It will lighten and brighten, also lift up the whole face. A very natural looking substitute for foundation with a very little coverage and a great deal of hydration. I use it basically just to warm up my face to the 10 of my body, because I always use high SPF on my face, which means it does not tan as well as my body does, and also to just even out my skin. So I just cover up the pigmentation which was left behind by acne I used to have. It should be gone within 18 months, so I was told, but for now this foundation will give me a weightless, natural looking coverage. It's non-acnegenic, a minimum of 16-hour wear, and it's waterproof and sweat proof. Basically everything I'd want in a foundation. Instead of mattifying, this will take away the liquidy makeupy look and replace it with a fresh, natural glow, as well as preserving the base. Apply in the shape of the number 3. I use the color medium, which has a red undertone. When choosing a bronzer, the most important thing is the right undertone. Think of your color when you tan. Is it more reddy or more golden? See how my arm matches the bronzer? And don't leave the neck out. Trust me, it will make a huge difference. I love this peachy pink color, and it has a beautiful golden glow to it. It has been my go-to lately. Just apply to the apple of the cheeks and it will lift it out, giving life back to the face a little bit. I'm basically obsessed. I wish I could cover my whole face with this. Make sure one thing, always blend in with your blusher, so it doesn't look like a weird sharp line of highlight on your face. I use this just to take away the redness or darkness and control the oils on the lid a little bit. Because I want to be fast, and I'm a bit lazy, and also because it's beautiful and very easy, I apply the highlighter on the moving part of the lid, the inner corner and the inner crease to make the eyes look bigger and brighter. Using the eye blender brush from Bobbi, I apply a thin layer on the crease to give depth to the glance and dimension. Swap to the eye smudge brush to strengthen and darken the outer third and the lower lash line. Makes the eyes look bigger. Apply in the upper waterline, basically under the lashes and a little bit in between. And this could be it, but I'll go one step further. Just a little bit above, but very close to the lashes, using the touch-up brush, I smudge it for softer, more natural finish and a little extra definition to the lashes. Brush right here. I just fill in and create a more defined shape, leaving the brow light, soft and natural. I need my brows to stay brushed up for the whole day, to make the eyes more open and just look tidy and fluffy. Always brush the lashes towards where they are grown to in order to get the most out of them. I always layer my mascara and go in with the wand from all possible directions. For a no makeup look, you want the focus on the lashes that are well divided, not clumpy, long and lifted. I love this balm because it tastes and smells like raspberry. And if you're you're just good to go here. But I'll go in with the crushed lip for a little extra pink. This formula is my favorite choice for everydays, and it's the shade Baby. Cute. For a little extra plump and definition, the color is Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you like it. I hope that it helped. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. You will find all my social media there, obviously, because it's like you have to. So anyways, thank you very much and see you in the next one. Have a lovely day.